is not a great morning here. So, during the winter, usually the routine is to start everything up and let it run for a little bit. Well, I come over here to this yellow Wrangler loader, and guess what? Battery's dead. So, the key was in the backwards position, which is lovely. Not. Okay, it says 12 volts now. Wonder if it'll fire up. That battery charger's on its last leg anyway. Nope. See, it just goes off. You got to kick it around. But just say screw it and go get a new charger. Because we can't have this shit. See? God damn it. Alright. Well, it's still charging. Still at 1% for some freaking reason. Nope. Shit. Well, now I'm going to go spread the fertilizer. Because of course, why not? Sure. I did get the loader going. I jumper cabled it with the flatbed there. So I got her going, and I'm not gonna shut it off all day. So let the batteries charge up on, or the battery, it's only got one. So letting the fans warm up. And there's the new system that I wish was already in place, but it's not. So everything's going to be new except for the hopper here. The hopper scale is going to stay the same, but we got a new feeder into the new mixer and then a new loadout. And it's going to be at a different kind of an angle too. The blender's going to sit about like right here, and then the loadout's going to go about like that at a different angle. Maybe. I would hope so. That'll make everybody's life a lot better, especially for feed here and getting lined up with it. So yeehaw. None of my tires are flat, so that's good. I'll set that up here in a second. Get up front. I'm gonna stop and get fuel too, because of course. Today has been nothing but a big cluster. So I went and spread it fertilizer. Ended up 1.5 acres, 2 acres short. Had to come back, grab that much, go out there and spread it. And I had the right amount of acres. For some reason the truck doesn't run right. So get that done, come back. Had to put a battery in a pickup truck we're trying to get rid of. Okay, put a new one in, starts right off. Then I have to go pick up Terry, the one that's hauling feed, from our shop, because he took the white feed truck up there. And I wonder why. That is oil. It just got fixed yesterday, or we picked it up yesterday. Something about a oil line going to the turbo blew, and they warranted it. International warranted it, because we just put an engine in that thing not even a year ago. So thankfully they did warranty it, so there was nothing money cost wise to us, but whatever, just the fact that it blew. And then it blew again today, so we're down to one feed truck again. And tomorrow is Thursday, December 22nd, and there is a brutal monster storm coming in Friday, or Thursday night and Friday. So tomorrow is, it's not one of the most horrible days we've ever had, but I've got enough to run all flipping day. So yeah, I mean, if we had 2 trucks, we could be done with it by 2-3 o'clock. Sometimes I wonder why stuff happens like it does here. I mean, geez. Anyway, so I've got a bagger batch, or batch 3-way for the bagger over there. So when he comes in, I can dump 3 ton in it, because we're only down to 1 pallet of 3-way. Then I've got to load 11 ton. Yeah, 369 plus 2, 11 ton 3-way for my first trip out tomorrow. And it is 4:30. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then, if you ain't gonna be able to see it, but the propane tank there to get cylinders filled is lined up all the way to the fence here. So, yeah, people are waiting to the last minute to get their stuff. So, it's just one of them days. Just one of them days. So I haven't felt like filming anything, so. Today's been nothing but a hurry up and wait for everybody. So I've just been to Grayson County. Now I'm in Hardstown. Or, well, it's technically Gleanings. It's east of LaRue County. It's kind of Marion, I think. Yeah, Marion or Nelson, whatever. Unloading here, and it is 1:30. I'm about an hour and a half behind right now. And maybe an hour behind. Because the first stop I went to this morning, I couldn't get up the hill to the feeder. So I called the store and I said, hey, I can't do nothing there. So I went to my other 2 stops. Well, in the process of that, they called me back and said, go back and they'll meet you there with a wagon. All right, go back, no wagon. Instead, there's a tractor there to pull me up the hill to dump in that feeder. Lovely. So then, my second trip here out, I go to the first stop. The guy doesn't have the feeder there. He actually pulls it out to the road, a little side road. So I get a hold of 2-3 people, and I'm like, where's the feeder at? They're like, oh, well, we ain't got it out yet. So great. So they said, oh, I'll be there in 10 minutes. Half an hour later, there comes the tractor. I'm like, great. And there's 2 more stops the other opposite direction, north-ish. So hopefully Terry, the other guy, will take it, because this winter blizzard is supposed to be here by 5 o'clock. And it just makes more sense for him, if he's at the store, that is if he is, to just hop in the other truck and take off. Oh yeah, we did get this one back this morning. There's no oil leaking, knock on wood, but it just feels weak. I don't know. I don't know. It just feels different. And I've rambled on for 3 minutes, so. All right.